Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Moment to End. Okay, so today's vlog is the kind of different. I'm going to be cleaning up my space because every Sunday I always make sure to clean up the entire space. Every Sunday I always do that. That's like my Sunday rituals. So from there I'm going out. I'm going to Nike Art Gallery. I've never been there before. So even when I was told like, you know what, let's just go out to Nike Art Gallery, I was wondering what are we going to do there? Are we just going to stare at the art, the designs or something? But there's no harm in trying something new, right? So I want to give it a try. I'm going to Nike Art Gallery and from there I'm going to a restaurant, to just enjoy my Sunday. Let's chill out and take some fresh air. So that is what this video is going to be about. So you guys just sit back and enjoy. So you guys, this is what I'll be wearing. Is my native outfit. I always like to check out the place I'm going to so I can dress accordingly. I don't know. It's just what I do. Like check out my Gallery. I just feel like it's more it has like a cultural atmosphere. It's like it has like this cultural vibe where like a traditional a native outfit which just fits perfectly in, but not too formal. Big anti vibes. The outfit. So you guys wait and see. What happened? boring here. Hats. I can go. It is not a forbidden place to enter. Address center. Patient of this. Wow. This is Nike Art Gallery. Amazing. I'm scared of heights. Thank you. My outing was very fun. I really enjoyed myself. So that will be all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye guys, see you in the next video.